Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about map rolling, overlapping groups and redundant groups. So all of you know, and we have discussed in the previous videos about the reduction rules, how to reduce pair, octet, quad, what is the rule we are following. These all we discussed in the previous videos. So first one is map rolling. What is map rolling? It means roll the map. Just imagine, consider the map as if its left edges are touching the right edges and top edges are touching the bottom edges. By that way only we can roll the map, is it? Yes. So this is a special property of K-map, and its opposite edge squares and corner squares are considered contiguous. Just as the world map is treated as contiguous as its opposite ends. The same way, here also we are considering as in its opposite edges, squares and in corner squares, only one variable change. You remember, in pair reduction rule, only one variable changes, like that. In the case of opposite edges squares and in corner squares, it's only one variable is changing from state complement to uncomplemented form. So let's see how to how to roll a map. So therefore, while marking the pairs, chords and octets, map must be rolled. So let's see it will be the next one. Here all of you know this is 4 variable K map, f of ABCD. That means two variable we have taken in the vertical, another 2 remaining 2 is in the horizontal way. So how we will consider this K map? Yeah, I am just placing the value. This is SOP, so I am filling the values, one here, another one is here. Okay, next one here. Consider the given min-term position is filled with 1. Consider these positions has given in the question like this. Okay, so by this way, how the map rolling is doing? You know this point here. This is the edge. This is the top edge. This is the bottom edge, isn't it? And here we can consider as the right edge, and this is the left edge. Yes or no? So first of all, we got the values as ones, but it is not an adjacent one, so we can't make it as a pair or chord or anyone. So what we have to do, we have to check, is it in the left edges? Yeah, here this one means this is in the this one means it is in the right edge. This is the right edge, and this one means this is in the left edge of the K map. So we can make it as a pair. We have to roll. That is the way of rolling. We are rolling the values, or rolling the map means we are just connecting the left edge with the right edge, top edge with the bottom edge. By that way we are rolling the value. So here we can just consider this one. Okay, consider this one. Yeah, so we can tell this is an rolled pair, or we can consider simply as a pair also, but how we got using the map rolling. Another one, top edge. This is the this is the top and this is the bottom top. So how we have to, again we can roll. We should roll like that. Okay, so we got two pairs are under rolled one. So how you will write that pair 1, pair 2, that same concept you have to write. First pair 1 equal to, what is the value? First one right and left, so M4 plus M6. Next, what is the second pair? Pair 2. Just writing as P2 you should write. Okay, pair 2 equal to, which are the value? M3 plus M11. Remaining all you know how to write, how to reduce the value, is it? By that way you should do it. M4 plus M6 means how you will write here A dash B. This is the row A dash B and 2 columns. Pair means only one variable will remove, is it? So C dash D dash and C dash D. Here which one is changing? C dash and C is changing, and we can write as A dash B. I'm not explaining, you know how to reduce the pairs. So A dash B, then D dash. This is the first one. A dash B, D dash. Sorry. A dash B, D dash. A dash B, then D dash. The second pair, only one column and 2 rows. So CD will be there. Then which one is changing? Pair 2, M3 plus M11. M3 plus M11. Is it? So how we can write? I have to consider these 2 rows. One and first and last row, and only one column, that is this column. Is it? So how we can write? Which one is changing here? A dash is changing in this 2. So we have to write B dash, and the column is CD. So we got the pair to us B dash CD. So this is the way of rolling the map. You see in the pairs value how we have done. Next we are moving to the chords. Consider these 2, 1, 1. Here also another 1, 1. So what we can do easily, you know, we can mark it as a chord. 2 values are there. 2 values in the top and remaining 2 is in the bottom. So we can make it as a chord. Let's write as Q. You should write as chord 1. Okay. Chord 1 equal to what are the total min-term positions? M1 plus M3, M1 plus M3 plus M9 plus M11. So 4 values are there, 4 positions. You know how to write this, reduce the pair also, set. Yeah. The next one, if we are just filling another values here also. Both are 2. If 2 ones are there means we can make it as a pair. Check here also if it is there or not in the edges, in both edges. That means which one? 1, here it is there, that is in the left edge. Check in the right edge, any values there? Yes. So we can make map again as this is another chord. Can we? Yes. What is that? Q1, Q2, chord 2. You should write chord 2, Q2 equal to, what are the positions? M4 plus M5, M12 plus M6 plus M40. You should write, reduce the pair, reduce the chord, okay? Reduce the expression, you should write. By this way also we have to roll, because 4 values, 2 values together in the left edge and 2 values together in the right edge means we can map it as a chord. We can roll it as a chord. So here in the top edges also, bottom edges also. By this way also we can do. In another case, one more case is there in the case of chords. How we can do? Okay, just imagine this one. In this K-map, some values has filled like this. Which one? 1, 1, 1, 1. Is it possible to make a pair or chord? Yeah, it is possible to make a chord because both are all are in the edges. Good. All are in the edges. So how we can make it is 1 here. These both are in the left and right edge, and as well as top and bottom is 4 values. So we can make it as a chord. Understood? This is the third chord that we have done. So we can write just write these values. So 4 values, 4 ones and the corners means we can make it as a chord. If 2 means only 2 is there means we can make it as a pair. 4 ones at the corners means we can make it as a chord. Chord means how many variables has to be removed? Only 2 variables here. For example, m0 plus m2 plus m8 plus m10. And how we will write that expression in these 2 rows? Y dash is a dash, here y is a dash. Which one is changing? Y is changing, so we don't want only is a dash, we have to write it as a. And the next one, this column is over, row is over. Next column, which are the columns? A dash, B dash and A, B dash. So in this, which one is changing? A is changing, so we will get only E dash. So this is the final chord. This is a way of rolling the map. Okay. The next one is map rolling of octet. So consider this K map. If we have 4 ones in the left side, 4 ones in the left edges and 4 ones in the right edges, then we can map it as an octet. That means 8 values, is it? So we can map it as an octet. Another form, 4 values in the left edge, this is top edge. Yeah, top. 4 values in the top edges, another 4 values in the bottom edges, then we can again map it these values as octet. So here only one form of octet, another form of octet. Actually, you have to listen like this. Edges. In edges, 4 values are together. In both edges means we can make it as a octet. So you know how to reduce an octet value. So here for this K map I am just writing. That's all you know. Easily we can do it. Octet means we have to consider only one row. Only one column, that is C dash D dash. So it will be there. 2 columns we have to consider, is it? Yeah, we have to consider 2 columns. One is C dash D dash, another one is C D dash. In this, which one is changing? C dash is changing, so we have to write D dash is the value, is it? Yeah. Next we have to check these all rows. In this all rows, which are the values are changing? A dash, A dash, A. So we can't take like B dash, B dash. So we can't take the changes. They are changing from complement to uncomplemented form. So we got only one answer, that is D dash in the case of this K map. First K map. Okay. In the second one, what is the value? We can easily write. Consider the same ABCD. Here also you can consider this is also ABCD. I don't want to repeat the literals, so you can write the answer octet 2. There is another octet, or octet equal to, what is the value? We have to consider the top edge and bottom edge. Top and bottom means what are the values? A dash, B dash, another A, B dash. So which one is changing? A is changing. This is A dash, B dash. Okay, A is changing. So we can't take A, we are just taking B dash. And in the entire rows, that all values will cancel, is it? So only B dash is the answer. This is a way of rolling. This is way of rolling map. That is in a pair, how the pair map rolling do in pairs, octet and chords. That's all we have discussed here. The next one is overlapping groups. Map rolling is over. Now you know how to do the map rolling, is it? Next one is overlapping groups. That means same one can be encircled more than once. That means in a pair, you know, 2 values are there. Consider these 2 values are there in pair. Together means, adjacent ones means we will make it as a pair, is it? We can make it as a pair. And another one is here. So can we make these 2 as a pair? Yes. Okay, this is overlapping. So this one, actually, this is pair 1. Even I am just writing, this is pair 2. So in this pair ones, one value is overlapped by another pair, that is pair 2. Okay, let's consider this 1, 1. 1, 1 means, these are, we can make it as a pair. Just I am writing the decimal also, designation number. Here it is 5, then this is 7 and 6, 14, 15 and 10. Okay, so just imagine here we have a values 1 and 1 in pair in the position 5 and 7, and another values 1, 1, 1 and 1. So from a Boolean expression we got these are the Minden position, and Minden in that particular Minden designation, in the particular Minden positions we have filled with the value 1 because this is an SOP, and you can consider this as an example to explain the overlapping group. So here you can see 2 values, 2 ones are adjacent, 4 ones are adjacent, again 2 ones are adjacent, is it? Yeah, first of all we have to check, is there any octet in this group? Is there any octet? No, it is no octet, so we can't, octet is not octet, octet in the group, no octets. So next we will move to quad. So you can mark any chords. Yes, is there any chords? Yes, we can mark a chord, is it? Yeah, we will mark a chord. Which one is the chord? This one is the chord. So we can write M7 chord 1. Chord only 1 is there. What are they? M7 plus M6. You should write this midterm designation number every time. M6 plus M15 and M14. This is chord 1. What is the next one? Next we can make it as a pair. Is it 2 adjacent 1 means it is we can form it as a pair. Yes or no? Yes. So 2 ones. So just I am marking like this. So here it comes as overlapped pair, or this one M7 is occupied by pair as well as quad. So we can make another pair, pair 1, P1 equal to M5 plus M7. Can we? Yes, M5 plus M7. Any other left out values? Yes, one more is there. That is also we can make it as a pair. What is that? Pair 2 equal to M14 plus M10 or M10 plus M14. This is overlapped groups. So overlapping means same one can be encircled more than once. So here in this example, in this K-map, 1 for M7 has been here. Okay, M7 has been encircled for, what are the cases? It has encircled for, encircled twice it encircled. One is for quad, another one is for pair. M7 will be here and here. That means it is encircled for quad and pair. One for pair, another one is for quad. The next one, next example, what is the next example here? Is it M14 and M10? So which one is overlapped again? M14 is overlapped. M14 is overlapped, or M14 is encircled twice. So this is the way overlapping groups. So you know how to reduce this expression. Q1 means how we will get quad 1. You know how to reduce the expression. We will get two columns we are taking A dash, B dash, A dash, B and AB. Which one is changing? A is changing, so we have to write B. Then here which one is changing? D is changing, so we will get quad equal to BC. Then what is the pair 1? P1 equal to what is the value here? M5 plus M7. So you will write A dash B and these two rows, is it? These two columns. So how we have to write A dash B? Then remaining D is not changing. So we will get D. A dash B D. That is the A dash B D is the pair 1. What is the pair 2? Pair 2 equal to, how we have to write these two, is it? Yeah, pair 2, M14 plus M10. So how we will, any change value is B, so we can write A, then C D dash. So this is the pair A C D dash. So finally we can write the reduced expression. What is the reduced expression? Final expression means sum of these reduced expression, which are the quad. So BC plus A dash BD, you should write it as a reduced expression, okay, plus AC D dash. This is the final expression. This is the reduced expression, final reduced expression. So we can write therefore the final reduced expression. Here you should write final reduced expression as BC plus A dash BD plus AC D dash. This is known as overlapping concepts. So next one is the redundant groups. This is very important one. Redundant groups. That means all the ones are overlapped by other groups. And in a reduced expression or in a K-map, redundant groups must be removed. Okay. Overlapping is allowed, map rolling is allowed, but redundant groups means it should be removed from the expression, otherwise it will reduce your mark. So redundant means it is a group that whose all ones are overlapped by other ones. So an example, so this is, of course, this is a pair, you know how you will mark it as a pair, is it? Then next one, another one is also here. So again we can make it as a pair, no other problems. Again, one more is here. Is it possible to mark? Yeah. How to mark a pair? Adjacent ones are there means we can make it as a pair, is it? So we have marked as a pair. So that first one is, this is the pair 1, this is pair 2, this is pair 3. So you have to check. Now we got 3 pairs in this K-map. Assume this is a K-map, and in this K-map we got 3 pairs. And next you have to check, is there any redundant groups? What is redundant group? All ones are overlapped by other groups. So is there any overlapped one? You should look. So in this pair, this one is occupied. This one is occupied by this pair also, is it? Pair 1, one value is occupied by pair 2 also. Occupied by pair 2. And in pair 2, we got 2 ones, 1 and this one. 2 ones are there. This one and this one are pair 2. So in pair 2, we got 2 ones, and that pair 2, all values or all ones are overlapped by other pairs, is it? Yes. This actually first one is overlapped by pair 1. Second one is overlapped by pair 3. So we can take it as pair 2 as a pair 2. We can't consider the redundant group pair 2. So first of all, we got pair 1, P1, P2 and P3 are the 3 pairs we got as per the pairing rule, the pair reduction rule. So next one we have to check, is there any redundant group? Yeah, in this pair 2 is the redundant group, because in that pair 2 we have 2 values, 1, 1. The first one is occupied by 1, pair 1, and second one is occupied by the pair 3. That means the pair 2's all ones are overlapped. All ones of pair 2 is overlapped by other groups, so it is a redundant group. So we can't consider or we can't add this pair 2 in the expression. The reduced expression, we have to remove this pair 2. Okay. In this K-map, M4, M5, M13 and M15, the values filled as 1s. So, how we can mark any, find any redundant groups or not? Let's see, is it? Yeah, the first one, we can make it as a pair. So, M4 and M5, is it? Yes, we can write pair 1 equal to M4 plus M5. That you can write. And reduce the expression also, you will write. The next one, you have to remember about the redundant groups also. Just to consider M5 and M13. If you are considering M5 and M13, both are adjacent, so we can make it as a pair. But if we are making it as a pair, means again this one is left out. So maximum we have to mark it as a bigger formation, that is octet, then quad, then pair. Is it? So how we can mark? If we are taking this M5 and M13, first I am marking as a red color, M5 and M13. That is a pair 2, M5 and M13. It is a pair 2, M5 and M13. But in the next case, M13 and M15, we can make it as a pair. That is another valid pair. So pair 3 is M13 and M15. So in this, can you find any redundant group has repeated, or the values of the pairs, or all the ones of the pairs are occupied by other groups? Is there anything? Yeah, pair 2, that is M5 and M13. So we can't take as a pair. It is a redundant pair or redundant group. So we don't consider this which one? M5 and M13. Why? Because that is a redundant one. What is redundant one? That all the values or all the ones are overlapped by other groups. In this case, 5 is overlapped by the first pair and 13 is overlapped by the pair 3. So we can't consider this pair 2 as a group. It is a redundant group, so we don't want to include in the expression. So what is the final expression? Pair 1, you will get a value. What is pair 1? You will get A dash, B and C dash. That is the first one. So we will write that value. Then pair 3 means AB and D. ABD. So this is the pair 2. So what is the final expression? Final expression, you should write the sum of that reduced expression. So A dash B C dash plus ABD. This is the final expression. Don't consider the redundant group. Redundant groups should be or must be removed.